Hello Healthcare, this is Ben Lewis, and today I wanted to do a quick video on Word and Copilot and how you might use it in your workday. So up here at the top right hand corner, you're going to see Copilot, or you're going to see select the icon or press Alt-I to draft with Copilot. So we're going to go ahead and select it. Copilot is an AI assistant, and we're going to go ahead and give it a prompt here. We're going to ask it to create an instructive flyer on AIDET communication. So as you know, as healthcare leaders and healthcare workers, when we enter a room, it's a private place and there's a way you want to enter the room and communicate. Oh, we got some examples there. Okay, so let's take a look at what Copilot shot us. On the prompt, create an instructive flyer on AIDET communication. It shot us this. It looks pretty good from here. Let's go ahead and dig in. So it asks, would you like us to insert it? And I'm going to break it down some once we get into the document. But so far we've really written 7 words, and we're going to pull out a document like this, insert it. Let's start manipulating and see. And it actually did. It gave us a 1-page flyer document. I'm going to play around with this to make the video just a little bit longer and to give it just a little bit more value. So using Copilot, as you can see, we gave a 7-word prompt on AIDET. And so let's talk about AIDET. AIDET is a communication framework designed to improve interactions between healthcare professionals and patients. It helps decrease patient anxiety, increase patient compliance, and improve clinical outcomes. The acronym AIDET stands for Acknowledge, where you greet your patient by name and recognize any family members present. This sets a positive tone for the interaction. Second, we were going to introduce. Let the patient know who you are, including your name, profession, and the role in their care. Duration, provide an accurate timeline of the time you're going to be engaging with the patient, an explanation of why you were there, and in gratitude for the patient's time and interruption. So that's going to be the way, one way that you can communicate using the AIDET framework. Again, the benefits reduces patient anxiety, increases their compliance, improves the clinical outcomes, and enhances patient satisfaction. So we have an example right down here. We'll go over example of AIDET in practice. Acknowledgement. Good morning, Mr. Smith. I see your wife is here with you today. Hello, Mrs. Smith. There's my acknowledgement. Introduce. My name is Mr. Lewis, and I will be overseeing your care today, as an example. Number 3, the duration. We'll start with some blood tests, which should take about 15 minutes, and the results will be back in about an hour. Those are lofty goals, but the point is you're really setting the tone for the patient on what they can expect, whether it's, in this example, blood tests, or another example may be maintenance in a room, right? So for the explanation, we're conducting these tests to check your blood sugar and ensure the medication is working effectively. And then thank you for your patience, Mr. Smith, and we appreciate your cooperation. So that's an example in practice of the benefits of AIDET, and then more information above. So let's just make this a flyer. Let's see what we can do with it. I'm going to insert a text box. Let's give it a little some color here. Maybe a little bit of some depth. All right, let's give this a nicer heading here. Insert some word art. I think that's already a good contrasting color. And then I'm going to send it to the back. All right, I hope you enjoyed this explanation of Copilot, the AI assistant with Microsoft, and the explanation of AIDET, a communication framework that will improve your patient experience. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.